Hi everyone. Let's see another question of the polynomial chapter, right? That is quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial. We'll see the question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, p of x is equal to 4x square minus 5x minus 1. Find the value of alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. Find the value of alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. This is a question. For this, first we'll write the polynomial, right? What is the polynomial here? F of x is 4x square minus 5x minus 1. Okay? We are given p of x is equal to 4x square minus 5x minus 1. Now we need to find the value of alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. Alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. That is, we can simplify more, right children? We can simplify this because alpha and beta, alpha into beta is a common factor, right? So alpha into beta, and inside the bracket we'll get, if you have taken alpha beta outside the bracket, that is a common factor. Inside the bracket we can write 1 alpha plus alpha beta square divided by alpha beta would be beta, right? Alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Now, from this polynomial, we need to find what is alpha beta and what is alpha plus beta, right? After that, we'll substitute the value in this expression and we'll get the final answer, right? So, what is alpha plus beta from this? Now, from this polynomial 4x square minus 5x minus 1, we can write A, that is coefficient of x square is 4, and B, the coefficient of x is minus 5, and C, that is minus 1. Constant term is minus 1. Right? Okay. Now A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 5, and C is equal to minus 1. Now we need to find what is alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Right? What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is sum of zeros is minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, that is minus of minus 5, minus b by a, that is minus of minus 5 divided by 4, that is 5 by 4, right? So alpha plus beta is 5 by 4. And what is alpha beta? Alpha beta is the coefficient of, not the coefficient, alpha beta is the constant term, that is c, divided by the coefficient of x square, c by a. That is, what is c? C is minus 1. Minus 1 divided by a. A is 4. Minus 1 by 4. So, alpha beta is 5 by 4 and alpha into beta is minus 1 by 4. Now, we find the solution, right? What is the question? Question is alpha beta into alpha plus beta. That is, alpha beta is minus 1 by 4 is multiplied with the alpha plus beta is 5 by 4. That is minus 5 by 16. Minus 5 by 16. So the final answer is minus 5 by 16.